Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding to Technique. In this video, I am going to explain function in Java in the simplest way possible with real-time examples. And by the end of this video, you will be able to answer any basic function-related interview questions easily. Let's get started.
What is a function? A function, also called a method in Java, is a block of code designed to perform a specific task. Now imagine a coffee machine. You give it water, coffee and sugar. That's your input. It processes all of that and gives you a hot cup of coffee, the output. That's exactly how functions work. Why use functions? Functions help us break large problems into smaller, reusable parts. Instead of repeating code, we write it once inside a function and call it whenever needed. Look at this. On the left, we have written the same logic multiple times. Copy paste, messy, error prone. But now look on the right. One neat little function called add. We reuse it. The code is short, clean and easy to debug. This is why functions are the superheroes of programming. They reduce effort and improve code quality.
Functions are like smart helpers in your code. Now, here's what makes them truly magical. Reusability means you write the logic once and you can use it again and again, like your favorite coffee recipe. Clean and readable code. No more repeating code. Just write the function a single time and your job is 90% done. Easy to debug. Need it in 5 different places. No matter. Just call the function. It's like pressing the same button on coffee machine. No matter where you are. Modular design. Modular design is a break your code into logical, manageable pieces. Java code, think of functions not just code but as your personal code managers. Keeping everything clean, reusable and perfectly brewed.
Function declaration and syntax. The basic declaration syntax like this. Return type. What the function gives back. It can be integer values, string, void, etc. Function name. A name that describes what the function does. Parameters. Inputs that the function needs to perform its job. Curly brace open and close. The body contains the logic of the function.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Coding to Technique. Let's crack coding one concept at a one time.